Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Glad you could stop by again today. I am still working on finishing up everything for the fair. It's going pretty well so far. So I'm back today to show you another item that I'm going to be presenting at the fair. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome to everyone who's been here with me for a while. And if you're just dropping by to look at the video to see what I'm going to fix for my fair, could you just give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe. Comment. I always appreciate your comments. Subscribe, comment, share. So I'm just going to get started, so I won't hold you too long because I'm in the process now of packing everything up and just getting everything ready and making sure that I have my stamps and everything on it. So what I made is these mini journals. I consider them mini journals. So I'm calling them mini journals. So they are mini memory keeping. I think I'm going to call them memory keeping, junk journals, something like that. So what I anticipate them being is you're beginning to do some memory keeping, some junk journaling, and they're clear inside. They have like pages like this inside, little, and it's clear, so you could junk journal in them, you could memory keep, you can do whatever you want in them, little pockets in them and stuff. And the rest of it's for you to figure out what you want to do with them. I also have coming with those, I have like ephemera packages, and the ephemera packages have ephemera in them, ribbon, a couple of buttons and things like that. I got one that's open. Let me show you. So coming with the book, you get this ephemera package. You get some ribbon, get a piece of lace. I didn't want to add too much stuff because I wanted, you to have the freedom to figure out what you want to put in it when you get it, when people get it. You may not decide you like any of this stuff, and you may just want to put your own stuff in it or use the journal the way you want. So I have all this ephemera that I created and made and stuff like that. So I have those little things like this. Just a lot of stuff that will help you get started with your things. Some of these ones were old ephemera that I have that I'm not using. Just enough stuff to get you started. So, to put on your pages. So I didn't make them in chipboard because I know a lot of people don't like to work in chipboard because it's too heavy and it may have filled up their journal faster than they wanted to. A couple of pages in here. And a little sparkly thing. Everybody needs one sparkly thing. So this is my memory keeping junk journals that I'll have at the fair. So, and then I put my sticker on the back. So that's what I have. That's my next item. I have a couple other things that I want to show, and I'll be doing another video for that. I'm going to try to see if I can pump them out a little bit faster. But packing up and trying to look at my table setup to see how I want that to be. And, making sure I can, put my tent up. That tent. The tent's not the easiest thing to put up. So me and tent have been struggling. So seeing if I could get that done. And I think I'm to the point where I was a little nervous about it, but now I think I'm really excited about it. So I'm looking forward to it now and looking forward to seeing how my products do, because I know most people booths are not like all stationery and stuff like mine is. So I'm kind of looking forward to see how that does, and also seeing how this will look on my Shopify site when I finish that up. And once I get that finished up, I'll tell you guys that it's not, that kind of stuff is not the easiest stuff for me to do. But thank you for joining me today. I look forward to showing you the rest of the things that I have for the fair. Could you comment? Let me know what you think about the little journal, the little the little memory keeping journal. If you could comment, let me know what you think about the ephemera pack that comes with it. If you got it, would you use the ephemera pack? Also, keep your eye out for my website in case you want one. Or if you want to get one before, kind of DM me and let me know, and I'll put a packet together for you. So thank you very much. And boy, you guys, I'm telling you, you watch the videos of all the girls getting ready for the fair, and you're like, oh my God, that is just, whatever. But the work. And I'm not even thinking about when it comes time to pack the car up and get all the stuff ready and set your table up and be there all day. So we should see how it goes. But thank you once again for joining me. For joining me. As you know, my big thing is self-care isn't selfish. Please take care of yourselves. Please watch out for yourselves. Watch out for your family. Please let family and friends know that you care about them. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye now.